Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a presentation in just 5 minutes or less than 5 minutes using Canvas AI. Very powerful tool and I definitely love it. Okay, so we are going to start right now. So go to canvas.com. From canvas.com you click doc, as you can see here. It's a doc or document. Okay. From here, you click start writing. Okay. If you are using a computer, this is what you are looking for. This one here, as you can see here. If you don't see this thing, just click anywhere in this page. When you click it, it's gonna pop up. Okay. So from here, I'm gonna click add magic. Okay. From here, I'm gonna click magic write. Okay, so we are going to ask Canvas to generate whatever we need here. I'm gonna say 10 ways to make money. Okay, I'm gonna ask Canvas to generate this for me. We detect language or topic that may not meet our, what the heck? What's wrong with this one? Okay, 10 ways to get rich. So I'm gonna try this one, 10 ways to get rich. Okay, as you can see here, they are done. Okay, so I've give us 10 ways to get rich. Invest in stock, start a business. Okay, so now we got our text. Okay, so I want to convert this to a presentation. Okay, so from here, you click convert to presentation. Okay, from here, you click get start. And you can choose the design you want from here, the template. Any template, I'm gonna choose this one. Okay, and I'm going to click create my presentation. As you can see here, this is my presentation. So you can edit it. If you want to change the time, you can go up to 10 seconds, you can go more, you can go up to 30 seconds. Okay, so I'm gonna go 10 seconds. I'm gonna apply to all pages. Okay, if I come to duration, if you click, as you can see here, now I got 10, 50 seconds, 10, 50 seconds, 10, 50 seconds. Okay, now I'm gonna do my presentation here. If you want to do that, you just come to share, you see present and record, go to recording. So it's gonna pick up your camera. This is my camera, as you can see here, and this is my microphone. I'm gonna say start recording. As you can see my picture, my video here. Okay, so what you can do here, you can read your presentation. When you're done, you just click on this arrow here. Okay, or you can use your keyboard. There's an arrow, there's up and down arrows on your keyboard. You can just press on those arrow to go to the next page or come back. Okay, as you can see here, they say 10 ways to get rich. Press next. They say achieve financial freedom and determine rich, and then you go next. and you read it. Okay, you go next, you read it. Okay, from here you can pause if you want. Okay, or you can stop recording. Okay, so I'm going to stop recording. So now it's uploading my recording. Okay, as you can see here, your recording link is ready. You can copy this. You can save and exit or download. I'm gonna say download. I'm gonna save it in this folder. So it's done. I'm gonna play it. You see, as you can see my picture, my video here. Okay, so what you can do here, you can read your presentation. When you're done, you just click on this arrow here. Okay, or you can use your keyboard. There's an arrow, there's up and down arrows on your keyboard. You can just press on those arrow to go to the next page or come back. Okay, as you can see here, they say 10 ways to get rich. Press next. They say achieve financial freedom and becoming rich, and then you go next and you read it. Okay, you go next, you read it. Okay, from here you can pause if you want. Okay, so as you can see, it's very simple. Okay, so this is how you can make a presentation using AI from Canvas. I hope this video will help someone who is in need. Please don't forget to like it, share, and subscribe. Ciao.